Hello children. Coming to question number 1. Which of the following property of multiplication is shown in the statement given below? 3 into 6 is equal to 6 into 3. Yes, even though the order of the numbers here is changed, the product will not change. Which property is this, children? Commutative. Option D. Yes, even though the order is changed, the product will not change. So the answer is option D, commutative. Coming to question number 2. The correct order to apply operations is. Now children, how can we know in which order to apply the operations? BODMAS. Yes, BODMAS. Now here, see, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the order in which we need to apply operations. Now let us check which option is the correct one. Addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. AMDS. Yes, so it is wrong. Next, option B, DMSA. DMSA. But what do we have here? DMAS. So again option B is wrong. Coming to option C, DMAS. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. That is what we have in BODMAS, right? Yes, so option C will be our correct answer. The correct order is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Clear children? Coming to question number 3. 96 by 2 is equal to 48 is not equivalent to 2. Now here the quotient is 48. Yes. So in the same way we need to find answers of all these numbers here. We have to find the products. Now what should we find out? The number which is not equivalent to 48. First let us find out the products. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Here again 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56. If you observe, option A, B and C have 48 as their answers, but option D has 56. It is not equal to 48. So option D will be our correct answer. Clear children? Coming to question number 4. 86 minus 23 is equal to dash. Which of the following statement is not equivalent to the given statement? Again, first we need to find out the difference. 86 minus 23. What will it be? 6 minus 3, 3. 8 minus 2, 6. 63 is our answer. Now let us find out the values of our options here. 7 9s are 63. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 45 plus 18, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 here 1 carried, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Clear children? Now if you see option A, B, C all have 63 as their answers. So even without checking we can say that option D will not be equal to 63. Okay? Even without solving we can say that option D will not be equal to 63. But again, let us solve and see. 187 divided by 2. 2 9s are 18. Yes children, when we subtract 0, 7 is brought down. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 become 1 is our remainder. What is this? 93 is the quotient here. Yes. Clear, right? Option D is the correct answer. Why? Because its answer is 93, which is not equivalent to the difference of 86 and 23. Moving to question number 5. Which of the following equation shows the identity property of addition? What is that children? Which one? Option B, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So whenever we add 0 to a number, the answer will be the number itself. There will be no change in the answer. So this is called as what? This is called the additive identity or else the identity property of addition. Clear? Coming to question number 6. What should be subtracted from 14y to get 8y as answer? Understand the question carefully children. From 14y we need to subtract something so that the answer becomes 8y. Now what do we have here? This is the minuend and this is the difference. See, Understanding, right children? The bigger number is given here, minuend is given and the difference is given. Now how will you find out the subtrahend? Subtrahend is equal to minuend minus difference. Yes, the given two numbers, the difference of minuend and difference here. 14y minus 8y. Now you might be confused